Hey guys, what's going on? AMDWC here. So today is my time to unbox a brand new but old stock, a famous brand juice mouse with peach color. So without further ado, let's get started. And as you can see, this is new old stock, never been opened before. And I think this mouse started selling about 2007 or 2008 maybe, because as you can see, Windows Vista was released in 2007 and also Windows XP, but no Windows 7, so that means before 2009. Very nice peach color. This is juice mouse. Very nice, really cute. Quite dirty. So it has many language. So here's the English language. Very nice. This is first time ever do unbox. Never been opened before. Let's unbox. Very nice box. And of course I will keep the box forever. The shape of the box is really clean, nice. So here's the inside, wire on here. Just put like this. And here's the mouse. Oh wow, it turns yellow color on the side. And I think the original color should be white, but it's too long on the box, but it's okay. At least the mouse is still can use, and very nice. Here's the wire. Wow. Oh no, I just plastic cover just turned yellow, while the mouse still white color on the side. Wow, very nice. Alright. So here's the mouse. Very light and very good quality. 3D optical mouse. This is safety one. So now I'm going to test it on my laptop. Let's go. Alright, so my laptop has been boot up, and for the port on here, it has a 2 ports only, 2 USB ports on the left side. So let's try the mouse. Hopefully it still works. The light works, and yes, the mouse works, as you can see. It works very nice. So before I end this video, you can give me feedback for this brand new but old stock, the peach mouse, famous brand, in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.